Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to add a live chat to your website, especially an investment broker website. So to get started, you need to visit this website talk.to. Then you have to create your account. Then you click on get started here. Then you create an account. I'll give it a straw votes. Okay, then you add your email address, then your password. Yeah, okay, so you sign up, click on sign up. Alright, so you have to select live chat here, then you add your website URL to it. You come here, you copy your website URL, then you paste it here without the slash, then go on, you correct your name. That's if you make it, just put your website name here and continue. Okay, so this is where you put your website logo, but let's forget about the logo for now, and you can select your color from here. So alright, do your settings and next. Okay, now you copy your code from here. This code, you copy your live chat code, and you come to your code base. This is your file manager. You go to the root, you uploaded your script. So me, I uploaded it on the public_html. If you upload it on a folder, you go to the folder. So now you go to resources, views, then layout. Then from layout you click on live chat, then right click, then you edit, then click on edit again. Then you can see some other code here. This is where you upload your live chat from here to here. Then you can just put it on the middle. So you can add your WhatsApp code. That is if you have a WhatsApp code from here. Then for your live chat, you paste it here, then paste, then you save. Alright, you go to your website, then you refresh from here. Alright, still loading. Okay, then next. Alright, you can see your website is now having a live chat. You can see it's having a live chat. It's very easy, so it doesn't take any much time. That's all. So you can just continue to your talk.to website. Now you click on skip. Skip. Alright, you can go for a tour then, or you can just maybe next time if you already know about talk.to. That's it. So to see your messages, you click on your messages inbox. You see messages here. If anybody will send you a message, you can see it here. So you can just download the app. If you want to get a notification, you download the app on your phone, you log in with your credentials you used to create the talk.to, then you are good to go. So to set your profile picture, if you want to put a your website logo on the profile picture, you go to the administration, chat widgets, and you look for where to add the profile image. Here's it. Settings. I think they changed their interface, so I have to check. Overview. Okay. Property image. You select your image, you upload here. That's it. They are good to go. So our website now have a live chat. So if you enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much. The reason why I really made this video, I got some people contacting me on Telegram about adding live chat, so that's why I'm making this video of how to add a live chat to this particular website. But if you have another website and you would like to add a live chat, you can contact me on my Telegram and I will put you through, because all websites are not the same. They don't have same code, they have different structures. So the same way you add the live chat on this website is not the same way you will add the live chat on other websites. So it's pretty easy. So thank you for watching.